Okay, I'm about to teach you how to make a little smoky sandwich the easy way. So as you can see, I've already got my prep work done here. I got the little smokies on my bread. This is just a little half sandwich, by the way. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and turn on your burner here. We're going to do the left front. Alright, now while that's heating up, what I want you to do is you can go ahead and I'm going to fold this guy over like that, right? Y'all had a fold over sandwich before? It's like all the deliciousness with half the calories. Kind of smash that down a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go up here to my selector rack and choose out of my toolkit the toothpicks. Excellent. Now I want you to do, I'm going to go ahead and put a few of these in there. Just like so. We're going to hold it together. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm going to need... I'm going to need to roast this somehow. So when we get a good tool for roasting this, I think maybe tongs. Kind of what I need. So I'm going to go over here with another toolkit. I don't know if what about these tongs right here? It's plastic. That won't do. Okay, part 2. Our burner is nice and hot. And we got our tongs, but I forgot to tell you about a very important step. We're going to go ahead and set down a plate here to drop on the hot food once it's done cooking. We need that because this is a fire hazard, by the way. Speaking of fire, looks like there might be something under that burner. We're going to go ahead and turn that off. Oh boy. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, so part 3. So apparently somebody had dropped some food down into my burner and didn't clean it out, so it started to maybe catch fire. I don't know who that was. So anyway, I got this other burner going back here right now. It's nice and clean. And I got my tongs. We're going to get ready to roast our little smoky sandwich. Hold on a second. Set down the phone. Okay. Okay, so you see I got a good grip on it with the tongs right here between the toothpicks, just holding it together. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start roasting it. It is good. And you give it a little bit of, fair play around the circle there. And this kind of puts me in mind of like a campfire song or something. I don't know. Let's sing a little kumbaya, roast a little smoky, fish a little stream. Oh yeah. So when you start to smell it, that's when you know you're getting close to it being done. It's starting to smell good. Oh. See, it's a little grill fire there. Don't be afraid of it. It just adds a little flavor. See there? Little how do you do? Blow that out and that's nice. We call that kissing the crust. Kiss the crust a little bit and give it a little bit of that, Italiano. How do you do? You kiss the crust. I think my cat might be concerned that I'm starting a fire without him. He's a little jealous. Maybe he just smells a little smoky. They're getting to him. Oh, he got a little appetite. Mm-hmm. I wonder. Oh, oh, oh. Now that's actually a pro move right there. That's a pro move. We're gonna do that. Oh, yeah. Whew. I'm Boy Scout certified. We are done. Ooh, look, we came apart, but we're done. We can put that back together. Well, here you have it, folks. A little smoky sandwich. We're gonna give it a little test. I already know it's gonna be delicious, but just so I can tell you for the camera.